Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part of the video on the UNAS-2. In the previous video, if you have seen, I have done an unboxing and show you the overview of the UNAS-2. So in this video, I am going to set up the UNAS-2 for the very first time. To set up the UNAS-2, you need a hard drive. So I got a Western Digital 8TB hard drive, two of them, so I can install on this UNAS-2 because it supports two 3.5-inch hard drive. Let's get started. So these are the WD Red Pro, especially for the NAS hard drive, 8TB, packed in a moisture barrier bag to keep it safe from electrostatic and the moisture sensitive. So I have opened this hard drive. As you can see, this is the Western Digital 8TB, and I will similarly open this other also, and then I will install in the UNAS-2. So just keep it aside, and here is the UNAS-2. As I have shown you in the previous video, you have to unlock this and you have to press and you have to remove this. So there are the numbering given here and the SATA connector. So as you can see, these are the numbering and these are the SATA connector, as you can check. So I will place the one hard drive here and the second hard drive here. So to place it, you have to first make sure this is the SATA connector of the hard drive and it is placed here. So make sure you have to keep it this way, and you don't need to do anything. You need to just push it and it will be done. Similarly, you have to do for the other one. Make sure to check the SATA connector and you have to just insert it. So these two hard drive is properly insert, and they have given a screws also, so you can install the screws so it won't get easily removed. And to remove, you have to just press this and it will be removed. Like, you have to press this and the hard drive will be removed like this. So these are properly installed, and I will install the screws later. So for now, I'm just showing you how you can do that. So you have to place it like that, and the hard disk is installed on that, and I have locked it. So right now it's quite heavy because I put two hard drives. So I will go ahead and power it on, and I will show you that option method. So this is my rack where you can see everything is utilized from top to bottom. I have a server, everything. This is the rack shelf. At first I was thinking I should use this rack shelf and place the UNAS-2 here, and I will use the PoE adapter, and I can use the Enterprise 8 PoE switch as a LAN. So as by seeing the height of the UNAS-2, I don't think so it will fit here. So I was thinking I should place it here, and then I can route the cable to this Enterprise 8 PoE switch. I can use a LAN, or I was thinking I should use this desk cable where all my monitor and all the stuff here. I will place the UNAS-2 here, and I can use the Flex Mini switch, as you can see at the bottom here. So that's also 2.5 gig. So I will use the 10G PoE adapter. The second port is the LAN one, so it will power and provide the 2.5G connection to the UNAS-2. So let me first set up that, and I will show you later on which one looks good. So I have connected the 10G adapter cable LAN and the PoE, but I will power it right now and show you the first time boot of the UNAS-2, so you can see that. So right now I will just move this camera behind. So this is a UNAS-2. I thought I should connect this here, and then in the back I will just use this. Okay, so this is a cable coming from the PoE adapter, and I'm using this braided Ethernet cable which is provided inside the box. Okay, so now you can see the logo shows up here. It is, and if you see the bottom, the LED is blinking, white LED. So booted it for the very first time. Let's wait for the status to show up here. I can feel the hard disk is running right now. If I touch that, the disk is moving, so the hard disk is running at the moment. Waiting for it to complete the boot up state. So the connection is in the 10 GPO adapter. One port is the PoE plus plus and the one is the LAN. So the LAN I have connected here on the Flex Mini switch. As you can see here, this is the Flex Mini switch, the port number 3. I connected the LAN, and the PoE adapter one I have connected here to the UNAS-2. As you can see, the status bar now showing it is loading now. So this is a Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus where I run all the UniFi network switches and the access point and the gateways. So the UNAS-2 is connected to the USW Flex 2.5G, which is a 5-port switch. So here on the port manager, if you see on the port 3, I've connected the UNAS-2, and the status of that port shows blue, which is as you can see, it is a 2.5 GB. So that is working. And it get an IP address also from the DSCP, as you can see, 10.0.0.23. So I will go ahead and I will use that IP on a browser. You can use the Unifi Network app on the Android as well as the iOS app. It will auto detect because it has a Bluetooth connectivity. So it will auto detect on the Unifi Network app, and you can adopt it. That's the other method of adoption, but I will use the web method, so I can show you that. So in the browser, all you just need to do, you have to put the IP. So this is a screen of the UNAS-2. As you can see here, it shows this, and right now here you can give the name, and I will click on next. And here I have to log in with the UI account, which I will use because I've already used the UI account. So I think I can sign in, sorry. So here, let me show you. Okay, it says login. I can use the other authentication method, and we'll wait for the verification code, which is sent to the email address. So I'll put that. Okay, so email authentication done. So it is asking to restore from the backup. So there should not be any backup because this is the first time I'm doing a setup of the UNAS-2. So I will continue without backup. As you can see, it shows setting up the UNAS. So it is updating. I think setup has been completed. So let me click on go to dashboard and see it is saying console is updating. So once it is updated, I will let you know. So the UNAS update has been done. Right now it says set up the storage, because as you can see, I've already done that. I have I've installed all those 2 SSDs. So on the screen it says set up the storage. So I will click on set up storage, and right now you can see it is showing one storage pool, add a drive, and these 2 drives are detected. As you can see, it's optimal. So I will just click on SSD1 and SSD2. So by default right now it is taking a RAID group 1, where one will be with the protection SSD and one will be the capacity. So out of 16 TB, only 8 TB will be used, and the protection will be 1 hard drive, which is 8 terabytes. So I will create that, and it says reformat drive to create new storage pool. I understand, and I will proceed. So it is creating storage pool 1. So here you can see it is processing status model. So I have set up the storage, and It is asking even for an update to the UNAS Pro to the latest one 3.2.14. So both hard drive are fully operational, and as you have seen, it was formatting, so it took almost like 10 to 15 minutes to get fully operational and initialized. So right now both hard disk 8 terabyte is fully operational. As you can see, this status is optimal. So it created by default a storage pool 1, and I can create only RAID 1. So one 8 terabyte hard drive will be usable and the other will be in the protection as a data redundancy. As you can see here, the RAID type is RAID 1, and I'm using only the storage pool 1 because I cannot create any other pool like in my UNAS Pro. You have 7 hard drive base, so you can create other storage pool also. So you can use mixed hard drive, storage pool 1, storage pool 2. You can do that, but here I can create only storage pool 1, and both two hard drive in a RAID 1. So one will be as a usable 8 terabyte, and other will be as a protection for data redundancy. Once that is done, you have to create a credential for the admin. So right now I am the owner and admin. So under the admin and users, you can see the admin and from here you can create a new admin and you can define a role for the admin. So under the manage role, there is a super admin, and you can here give a role like a custom role. If they want to have access to the full management to the drive, you can set that full management to the settings, view only or none. You can define the roles. You can create a new admin. So under the admin, you have to give the username, password, the email address, and you have to invite them. And here under the assignment, you can share them a personal drive or the shared drive, and even you can enforce the storage limit, like what storage you want to give them to access. So for example, you can give them 1 TB storage limit, and here, and then you can here create a credentials for the file service for SMB, NFS, and for the Mac and Windows. You can do that. You can create a username and a password. So that is done. As you can see under the settings, under the shared links, under the services, SMB is enabled, and the time machine is here. You can even use a NFS. So it will be used for the Linux machine. So you want to mount NFS on the Linux machine, you can do that. So I've created here. From here you can add a NFS connection. So for example, you can do on a Proxmox Linux machine if you want to use the storage for the NFS. So once that is done, there is also one thing, the backup thing. So for right now you have this UNAS-2 only, and you don't have any other remote UNAS or anything. So the backup of this UNAS you can save on the destination server, like the remote NAS. If you have a remote NAS like a ubiquiti UNAS on the other location, it will be detected. Like if you are the owner of that NAS, that will be detected. So right now you can see here it says hostifies the UNAS Pro. So I have a UNAS Pro on the same network running, so it shows up here as the remote UNAS, and you can select the data to a backup to that UNAS Pro. If you don't have that option, you can use the CIFS or SMB server. For example, you are running a TrueNAS server, so you can create a SMB file, the IP address of that TrueNAS, the username and password, and you can select the folder for the backup. And then under the cloud services, this is the remote cloud services. You can use Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and the Amazon S3 if you have, Wasabi, and the Backblaze V2, which I am using on the UNAS Pro. So you can link your account and you can select a data for backup. You can schedule for daily, weekly, or monthly. So you can use that option. Under the snapshot, as you have seen that I have created a snapshot for the shared drive. So the snapshot process is quite easy. I mean, it's very helpful, like whatever changes you made, and if you want to go back to that changes you did, I mean, by you have done some mistakes, like and you want your data back, so you can just revert to that snapshot. The all data will be recovered using the snapshot. So there are some limits on the snapshot. So on the shared drive you can have up to 256 of snapshot limit, and for the personal drive I have seen that it should be 128. So you can schedule for daily, weekly or monthly. So I have not set on the personal drive. So the SMB file has been created. So right now I have tested on the Mac. On the Windows I am having some issues. I will test that later on, but I can show you for the Mac. So right now this is my Mac. I have both the UNAS Pro as well as the UNAS-2 on the same network. So let me open the shared drive, the drive SMB for the UNAS-2. So 10.0.0.152 is a UNAS Pro, and the 10.0.0.23 is a UNAS-2. So I will connect that also. Now it opens here. So for example, I will try to test the speed of the transfer from the UNAS Pro to the UNAS-2, because the UNAS Pro is connected to the 10 GB SFP plus port, and this UNAS-2 has only 2.5 GB RJ45 PoE plus port. So I will try to move one video to this using drag and drop. So this is the video folder from the UNAS Pro. I will drag and drop here in the shared drive. So it's a 1.52 GB video, so you can see the transfer. Right now there is no time showing for the transfer, but here you can see within like 5 to 10 seconds it shared the file, transfer the file from the UNAS Pro to the UNAS-2. So right now this is the shared drive. So I will just refresh the screen and see if there are any activities here, but just not reported here, but we'll check that later on. So under the all files I will go to the my shared drive, and I will look for that video, which is a one for, as you can see, I have created right now. So you can see this is the video. I'm using video playback is very smooth. I can go back, I can forward also, so that there is no such lag in the video. So the video playback is also smooth. So right now there is also one more thing. For example, you want to share this video to some other person, so there are options you can use. You can use copy a link, you can share, create and copy a link. So you can set link expiration, like for a day or for a week, whatever you want to set, you can set that. You can access a limit, like one time you can access the limit, after one time you won't be able to access that, and you can even set a password for that. So for example, I will set this okay, so I will create and copy a link for this this video. So the link has been created and copied. So for example, I have shared that link to the user. So if you go to the browser and you just paste the link, it will show this drop.ui.com. You can enter the password and it will be submitted. So it shows the file right now, so you can click on download. It will download right now. As you can see here, it is downloading. So similarly in that way you can share the file to someone else using create and copy link, and you can set an access limit. Even it got an options to download QR code, copy QR code, even use that option. And after that you can delete that link also, you don't want to give access. Okay, so I forgot to show you one thing, that you can use the type C port which is given on the front of the UNAS-2. So right now I have connected this Samsung SSD 2 terabyte using type C cable. So right now you can see it detected and see it says find your all files. In all files you can go to that USB drive. So this is also quite good options to add an extra storage. So you can transfer those files and everything from here. So right now you can see under all files it detected via USB-C, USB type C, the a SSD of 2 terabyte. So let me check one more thing on that. So if I check here on the files on the here, so does it show up there or not? So just I want to confirm that. So this is my share drive. Open in new tab, and so it does not show up here in the SMB. So let me check if there is any options to, because it shows myself as an admin, so I should have access. So as you can see here under the assignment, it shows the USB drive also. So let me eject this drive and try to connect to the server again and see. So for example, I will go and connect to the server again and click on SMB. So yeah, I have to enter the username and password again. So yeah, I still see the personal drive and the my share drive. So I think that does not have access to the USB drive does not have access to the file chat. So but I can check in the GUI. You can see here, you can check the T7 as a Samsung SSD of 2 terabyte. So let me check if I access to this, and if I copy this, for example, I can move this to all files T7 and see what's the speed of the moment. So you can track the here under the transfer, you can check. So it transferred like around 5 to 10 seconds it took, and under the all files under the T7 you can check right now created on. So yeah, you can see here it took. So I thought I should add this part also on the video. So this part is working by adding a USB drive using type C, a SSD, so it will be an extra storage. So that is quite good feature of this UNAS-2. So we will test the iPerf speed of the UNAS-2. So right now this is the UNAS-2. I have SSH into the UNAS-2, so I will install the iPerf 3. So there is a command app get install -y iPerf 3. Okay, so the iPerf is installed, and here on the second terminal I have my UNAS Pro running where the iPerf is installed. So I will just test the speed iPerf 3-C client, the IP address of the UNAS-2. So now you can see that it is giving up to speed because this UNAS-2 support 2.5 GB interface. So you can see the bit rate and the transfer speed
of the UNAS-2 right now. The transfer and the bit rate, you can see the sender as well as the receiver. So it is giving up to speed of 2.5G, so that is quite good. So I thought I should share it with you guys.
So after that, let me show you. I have connected this UNAS to a Tapo smart power plug. So let me show you on the mobile. I have a Tapo app. So the current power drawn on this UNAS-2 is 22 watt right now. Both hard drive is used, and right now it goes up to 22 watt current. So right now I can check. So the current electricity usage is almost 0.014 kilowatt. So right now the current power drawn on this UNAS-2 is 23 watt average I am getting. So it is, I mean, quite good for this small compact form factor of UNAS. So you have seen that I have set up this UNAS-2 and I've placed on a desk only because it looks good on a desk. I don't have a place on a rack, so to put on a rack shelf, so I've kept this UNAS-2 on a desk. So we have set up the UNAS-2, we have created a user SMB and tested by dragging and dropping from one UNAS to second UNAS 2, and we have checked the backup options. So I think that topic I was thinking to cover on this video. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you will like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And please let me know in the comment if you have any questions.